welcome back to another awesome video. I am so excited today. I am, first of all, thanks for watching. Thanks for rock with me. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday. Like, share, comment, and watch the video in the ends till the end. Yes. So you guys, today I'm at a Vietnamese restaurant. I am eating pho. Okay? Look at that. You can see this thing. I'm eating pho. Yes. And so, let me explain to you. It's a Vietnamese restaurant, and I don't know how to use chopsticks, so I probably won't use the chopsticks. I hope you guys can hear me, because I'm trying to talk low. But this is all the garnishes that you put on it. Okay? The bean sprouts. These right here. This is basil. And then you have them. So you just add all this in here like this. I love basil, you guys. You just add the basil in. Pick it off. I love basil, fresh basil. And then these are bean sprouts. And then you just squeeze your lime on it. And yes, I came in masked up. I got my mask. I hope you guys can see well. So I'm going to add, this is white pepper. And if you haven't had pho before, I suggest you try it. Pho is a good soup. It's a Vietnamese soup. It has steak in it. Thank you, ma'am. These are is this called Vietnamese meatball? Ma'am, is this Vietnamese meatball?
Yeah.
Vietnamese meatball. So I'm gonna add, what would you suggest, what sauce I add to this? What sauce would you suggest that I add to this?
This one.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, this one and sriracha.
You want the spicy?
Yeah, and put a little spice in it. Okay, so she said good to add sriracha. And I don't know what this is, but it's some kind of sauce. It doesn't need salt at all. So I'm gonna taste it before I put my peppers in it. The hot pepper oil. And it has tripe in it. Tripe. Delicious. It's raining here in California, and I thought about some hot soup. And this soup is good for your soul. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm trying not to talk so loud. I am adding some hot pepper oil. Because as you guys know, I am a spicy eater. I love spicy food. And it's good for your digestive system. Spicy food is good for you. Get all that stuff moving. This is the meatball. Delicious. And it has rice noodle in it. It has rice noodles. These are the rice noodles. I want to show you this up close. Now I don't want to drag it on the table. Rice noodles. I have to be careful eating the noodles because I'll get full off these noodles. Basil. The sriracha gives it a whole nother flavor. And believe it or not, it's not spicy. Believe it or not, it's really not spicy. And this is all beef. It has it's all beef. The beef comes out rare. And then when you put it in the soup, it kind of cooks the, it cooks in the hot broth. So this is a Vietnamese restaurant here in my town. Now this is beef brisket. There's 3 different types of beef in here. And one's a biscuit, one's a flank. Now I can talk louder because she's gone. I don't want to disturb somebody, eating. Now I can talk louder. I hope you guys heard me. And I hope you can see the food really good. Gotta lean over. I don't. Let me tell you, the bowls, they have an extra large one that's big like that. Now, if you like bean sprouts and all that, oh my God, this is really, Let me tell you guys, this is really delicious. This is really delicious, you guys. If you have a Vietnamese restaurant in your area, you should give this a try. Is your pho, is it cooked fresh daily?
Huh?
Is the pho cooked fresh daily? They cook it fresh daily. The broth. And I'm not gonna be able to eat all this. This is a regular, this is their large. The small is really too small. Like they don't have a medium. And then they have an extra large, large, and small. You might as well get the large instead of the small because it's not that it's not that much difference in price. That's the paper towel, y'all. This is really delicious. Ugh. Beef brisket. Ah. I'm going to learn how to use chopsticks one day. I really want to learn. But I can't get my hands. Oh, I should have been there, Dad. I just wanted you guys to see this soup. The table is kind of low. I cannot describe. I need a straw. I don't like drinking out of there. I'm weird like that. Like, I need a straw when I go to restaurants for the water. I gotta have I don't like drinking out there glass. I don't know why. I just don't. I might as well. I'm eating their silverware. Okay. Green onions. Green onions. Jalapeno pepper. I'm getting full. I'm getting full. The rice noodles. The rice noodles is so much lighter than the regular noodles that you buy, you know, from the store. They're so thinner. They look thick, so I'm picking up a lot of it, but they're so thin and light. They're so thin and light, but they're long. They're long. My mother actually turned me on to rice noodles, but this soup comes with rice noodle. That's the only noodle I think they put in this. My mom would like this. Ooh, nigga, my mom would like this. Ooh, I'm getting full, you guys. Let me see if I can get you guys a close-up of the soup. Okay, you guys, I am full. I'm getting ready to get me a to-go thing so I can take my behind home. And I will thank you for coming with me to the restaurant. I will catch you in another video, you guys. Bye.